Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I know it's been a long time, but you know me, just bear with me. I moved, and I am getting ready to go to IKEA. I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to show you the kitchen really quick, not my room. I was just in the bathroom. I guess I'll show you the bathroom a little bit, just because it ain't even really ready yet. It's messy, y'all. Look. Ah! Okay. Sorry, just screaming in your ear. All right, so we're going in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Everything is not set up yet. Like I said, we just moved in here, so it's a lot going on. We did put up our normal greenery, all from IKEA. Like I said, we're getting ready to go to IKEA right now, and I'll put you down. We're getting ready to go to IKEA to take this desk. Okay, my whole head is cut off. Not better. That is better. Okay, so we're getting ready to go to IKEA. I have to take back this shoe organizer because it's very big and bulky. It's in the hallway, and you have up to 60 days to do that. If you did not know, you can take stuff back to IKEA, assembled or disassembled. They'll take it back within 60 days. So that's what we're gonna go do for Vlogmas Day 1. And we'll see what the day brings, but for right now, that's what's on the schedule. Okay, so let's take this shoe rack down. Hold on. Okay, so this is the shoe rack. Don't mind that over there. That's some stuff we have to fix. This is the shoe rack. It's cute, but it is just. You see how much of the wall it takes up and space in the hallway? Like, it is just so big and bulky. Also, the instructions, just a few days, so it'll take downside. Put it on here. Okay. And this motherfucker. No, my hair. It's purple. Let me take it out of it. I mean, it's cute, but it's this right here is just so tangly. It just doesn't even want to act like it. But it's cute for right now. Purple, purple is the color of royalty, so yeah, we'll come forever. Take this damn thing down, and we shall see what the next step is. Oh, the flies not on the floor. Like, there's a lot of stuff in here to edit out. Oh my god. I'm gonna blow some of this stuff out. We just moved in here. Okay. This is the pack system. I'm sorry for these. The aperture on this camera, I have to fix it. I just literally decided I needed to vlog it because, you know what I mean, I don't want to be a day behind. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I didn't put the doors on it only because once I got this part, I was like, no, we decided no. My sister and I were like, it's not gonna work. So that's the name. This is what it looks like. Okay, so in the car, C's driving, and when I tell y'all, we had to disassemble the little shoe rack thing in the trunk because it would not fit. It was a hot mess. I didn't film any of it because it was just so frustrating. We had to literally take it apart and disassemble it in order to get it in the back seat partially, and then in the front, the trunk. So, moving forward, there will be no IKEA furniture in our house. Because the shit is just ridiculous how it disassembled. Anyway, so I didn't tell you that I got a new camera. I got a 4K Ultra HD something. It's like under $200 this camera is. I really like it. I wasn't originally going to get this camera. I was going to go get the ones that all the girlies are getting, like the Sony ZV-1. I was going to get that one. My money said no. Anyway, so I have this one. I hope y'all like it. Now that I no longer filming on my iPhone, because I don't have any more storage in here, yeah, she was good while it lasted. But we're moving on. Yeah, she said upgrade hers, he said. So we are on our way to IKEA right now. Once I get there, I'll pick y'all back up. And we'll go from there. But right now I'm so frustrated, flustered, child. That thing took me out. We had to bring out home the screwdriver, the electric drill. And I just disassembled that thing. It was a hot mess. Like, hello? IKEA, you gotta do better, please. Please. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on this night. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part. We see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the heart. Wrist on the wrist of like a charms, yeah. Laying with still like a pop. Like we could die all young, like we could die all blonde. If we could see it 2020, twice we could see it till the end.
Should we get a cart? Because it's Target. I know. Those are not as cute as ours, though. It's liquor. Collectible bottles. Oh, that's cute. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Yeah, we in Target right now, and we are looking at this creator right here. This beautiful, beautiful black woman. There we go. We are here to buy black and support black. They have some for 18 months. Isn't that cute? I'm gonna look for I don't even hold y'all up. I'm looking for a medium. I mean a large. Just because I know it's gonna stretch and stuff like normal. But yeah. Hello? Here's the large. They have all sizes though, as you can see. Yeah, they just seem to have medium, but I don't see a large up in this stacks. What? It's an 8. That looks like Nori. Yeah. That looks like a tiny, teeny little. Look at that. How do I apologize? They said to. No. That is cute. With the leather jacket. These are cute. Y'all. Target. Let me know. Target's coming through with the, look at these. This is cute too. It's warm, shapely. You, you know what? And this is the dress and the skirt, or the dress and the sweater. You know. Look at how cute these are. They're fuzzy. Fuzzy clips for little kids. Okay. I got mine. It's in a large. And right now, I think I'm gonna go home and edit this video. I think it's gonna be the end of the vlog. So what's gonna be my self-care and all the rest of that stuff, like me shaving my face.
You're so scared?
I know, but I don't know if we have any more. Do we have any more aloe vera gel?
No, we don't. We need to put some.
Yeah, I'm getting tired and I have work tomorrow, y'all. So, yeah. But yeah.
Oh, we need some of these soaps.
Aloe vera gel would be hair products, right? Yeah, it would be hair products.
You got that soap in there?
All right, we just finished. We're all done. It actually didn't take that it didn't take that long. But we finished before the sun went down all the way.
I'm a boss. You know, girls, I am a boss.
I know. Oh, look at me. My shirt does match my camera. My camera's pink, though. I love it. I love the lens on it because I can actually kind of see a little bit of a reflection of myself where I don't have to look into the viewfinder. I can actually look at y'all and give you eye contact. And my eyes will be doing this dance thing. But, yeah. I'm falling more and more in love with this camera. And then when I put because the lens is very big. This is the size of the lens. It's big. So when I put it in my purse or I put it down, I just put the little cap back on it. And I don't have to worry about damaging the lens, which is so helpful. And the lens came with the camera. There's a wide lens and then there's a narrow lens, I believe. If not, I'll put it on the screen which one it is. And then also when I get home, I have packages. I have a mic that's going to be used on this camera to make it project better. Obviously it's a microphone. And then I have some other things. I'll open them once I get in the house and I'll show you guys. But we took this stuff back to IKEA already. We didn't do any shopping because it just took so long with so many people there. We decided to just get out as quickly as possible because we have so much other things to do. And yeah. And I'm gonna see y'all when we get home. Okay, so we're back home. I don't know how to get this little light, this right here, this little reflector. I don't know. Okay, and then my package is here. Yeah, we just got back. Okay. This is my external hard drive. And so when I upload, I don't have to worry about losing space when I put in my clips from my phone. Well, not anymore my phone. My camera. And it's pink. It's pink, just like my camera. Oh, so cute. It's perfect. It's perfect size. Oh, she's trying on her pajamas. These are the pajamas that they chose. They chose the joyful ones. And then I got these. I'm gonna wash them and put them on real quick so you can see them. Yeah. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Cute. It's cute. And then it comes with the little plug and the manual. Okay, Emmanuel. Just like that. Then I have this box, which I think my mic is in this one. Okay, battery died, but it came in this little case like this. This is the mic port little thing. Where, okay. I have no energy. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm actually very sleepy right now. I've been up since early in the morning dealing with Cox communication and the internet. For those of you who are moving into a place, it's your first time, and you order cable, they come into your house. Of course, you know they come into your house. You give them permission. They come into your home, and they put up a router and a modem. And they put that up in some little utility area in your house that's specific for that. So whatever apartment, whatever leasing agent, whatever landlord you have, they have a specific business that they work with, maybe Cox, maybe On Demand, whatever it is, they have a partnership with them, and so they already have the box set up. Well, I didn't know that, okay? And I'm in here calling these people like, I gotta buy a modem, I gotta buy a router, even though I have internet. Don't make fun of me. It didn't click that. Obviously, there was something in here connecting my internet for it to work. And I called them originally because my internet would go off or kick me out around 2 to 3 in the morning, and I would literally have to log back in. What is going on? Well, they said this is happening in Arizona and also in Las Vegas, and they're investigating it. But long story short, I had to deal with that all today. It's annoying. And it took a lot out of me, it drained me, so I'm sleepy, okay? I'm tired. This is the mic. And paired with, I'm sorry, what is this called? This is the mic. It can go on your, like, be attached to your lapel or whatever, like that. I'm not even paying any attention of what I'm doing. It's all crooked and stuff. But you can pin it on yourself and speak, or you can hold it and speak. And then you put this portion into the camera, and it sticks out obnoxiously like this. I don't know what type of design. Why would it stick out like that? But anyway, this is what I purchased, and this is how it works. And this is going to help me later on down the line. So that is that. I'm going to edit this video, and I'm going to call it a night, y'all. I am tired. I'm going to put the rest of, I'm still going to film, but I'm going to put the rest of this in another vlog. And I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me on Vlogmas Day 1. And we're going to do this until the 25th. So stick in there. Stick in there with me. Okay. Good morning. It is like 3:33 in the morning. 3:33. I'm in the parking lot at work. On my way to work. On my way to work. I'm in the parking lot at work waiting for the doors to open. They open at like 3:45, but I get here early. I got my coffee, and I got a tall one today, like a large. I did my nails. Oh, shit. Someone pulling up next to me. I just hate when people pull up next, like, leave me alone. Let me just have these moments before we go to inside to work. Oh, no, they backing up. Okay, cool. Anyway, I'm at work. And I just wanted to say what's up with y'all. Well, next time you see me, the sun will be out. Probably setting, because they want us to do 12-hour days sometimes, depending on who doesn't show up. But anyway, so I'm going to show you the pajamas today. I'm going to try them on because they're already washed now. And we are going, I think, Christmas tree shopping for a faux tree, not a real tree. We ain't doing that, baby, no. and then decorating it and doing all that stuff. So, yeah. I am tired. I literally go to bed at 7 just to get here around this time because it's just better for me to be earlier than late. Because they be knocking people's heads off, meaning like they be firing people left and right. Like, bye, you late, bye, you did this, bye, you blinked, bye. More, it's any job, I guess. So I'm doing my due diligence. Oh, you know what? I forgot my mic. Oh my God, I forgot the mic. Hopefully it won't be too bad because I'm in the car and it's not. Damn. All right, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.